10-minute sweet chili lime chicken thighs. You're going to start off with 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces. 2 tablespoons of avocado or olive oil. We're using avocado. 1/4 cup of Alpha-Gal Safe sweet chili sauce. The juice from 1 lime. 2 cloves, garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. 2 green onions sliced, and sesame seeds. Stand by for a fabulous meal. Crawfish Willie here with Ticked Off Kitchen. We're going to be doing a 10-minute sweet chili lime chicken thigh meal. It's going to be fabulous. So what I've done is I've started off with, I've got some pure avocado oil in my pan. We're going to put a little bit of that in there, enough to put this chicken in and cook it. So while that's heating up, we're just going to kind of like get it all in the pan to make sure it heats up evenly. And this is going to be just a quick 10-minute meal that'll feed your family. It's going to be fabulous. So I've got my chicken here. What I'm going to do is I've taken a pound of chicken thigh, cut it up into slices, bite-sized pieces. We're going to drop that in there. We're going to get this thing heated up. I like to add a little pepper in mine. If you like pepper, go for it. I like fresh ground pepper in there. Gives it a really good flavor to me. And what we're going to do is we're going to kick that around a little bit in here. We're going to get this chicken to where it's done. Now, you know, whenever you get your chicken, some chicken, you'll need to read the packages because some chicken will contain carrageenan. Some folks are a little more sensitive to carrageenan than others. I'm not a doctor, professional. All I'm telling you is what my wife and I do, how we deal with her alpha-gal stuff. You know, we know what she can have and what she can't have. So we're going to get this browned up. You're going to have different people with different, you know, tolerance levels too. Some people can have milk, some can't. So we're going to get this browning in here. Now, when you're using the sweet chili sauce, Blue Dragon, found it at Kroger. It's 100% Alpha-Gal Safe for you to use. And it tastes wonderful. I'm going to let this chicken get to brown in here. Now what I'm going to do here with this chicken is I'm going to take some lime. I like to use fresh squeezed lime. It just tastes better when you do it that way, in my opinion. I'll squeeze that lime juice in there because it really smells good in the air too when you're cooking. Let's get that going. I'm going to take my garlic cloves. I'm going to put them in there. I'm going to add my ginger. Man, you really smell that in the air. It smells delicious. I'm ready to dig in right now. Hey, sometimes I like to have a good cold beer when I'm cooking dinner, mowing the grass or whatever. So we found out that with my wife's alpha-gal, this is safe for her to drink, and it's actually there's a few of them. Mick Ultra, it's good for alpha-gal. It's friendly, but I don't know. I felt like having a little of this today. Now, what I'm also going to do is when this is starting to get its color to it and the chicken's getting cooked, I'm going to take the sweet chili sauce. Man, it smells good. Its flavor is really good. So I'm going to let that chicken get going good. And, you know, get a good color to it. Doesn't take long. Like I said, this is probably going to be one of the tastiest quick meals you can do for your family. Probably that you'll find. What I'll do is I'll let that get in there. And then flavors with that garlic, Man, it's really in the air. It's really in the air. It smells delicious. We'll let them combine just a little bit before I do anything else with that. Let that flavor get in there. I'm gonna put a little lid on it just for a second to kind of help get that flavor. Now what we're gonna use is the cilantro lime rice. Alpha-Gal friendly. I'm gonna put that in there. Put a couple teaspoons of water in there. And you're only gonna have to do this just for a short few minutes. And let that heat up. That's all you're trying to do with that. Oh yeah. Now that chicken's looking where it needs to look. So what I think I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and toss in some onion. That's chopped up green onion. Oh yeah, you're gonna let them flavors mix real well. Get that sweet chili sauce. Now, that is really taking off. Now, I'm gonna let that simmer in there a little bit. Check on my rice over here. Rice is doing good. Just gonna heat this up maybe a minute and a half, 2 minutes, something like that. That cilantro rice is really good with this. Once I got that going there, time to toss in, ooh, man, look at that. That's fabulous looking. I'm gonna take these lime pieces I got, cause hey, you know, a little extra lime ain't gonna hurt nothing, right? And it's a good garnish with it too. Now, put my lid on that and let it sit there and cook for a little bit while I enjoy my Heineken. Now, there's a lot of other chicken meals that you're gonna see that we're gonna come up with because, I mean, let's face it, chicken is a big part of your life now with Alpha-Gal, so, and it's okay. We love chicken. It's healthy for you. It tastes good, but hey, in your mind, you can only do so much chicken, right? That's where we come in. We're going to show you a lot of different flavors, a lot of different styles of chicken that you can make, and it's all going to be good. I can guarantee you that. So if you'll stand by, this will be done in just a few minutes, and I'll show you what we're looking at on the finished product. 10-minute chili lime chicken thighs. If you happen to have a little sesame seed laying around, sprinkle of that on there. On a bed of cilantro rice. Oh, and I guarantee you it's going to be full of flavor and you're going to love it. Enjoy, like, and subscribe.